Namaste students, I am Javin Dr. Aziz Mahmood Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Home University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic multi-enzyme complexes. Multi-enzyme complex. What is the multi-enzyme complex? Multi-enzyme complex are the enzymes which are the enzymes in combinations. Means two enzyme, uh, three enzyme, four enzymes mix together and make a complete complex of enzyme that is known as the multi-enzymes. Meaning that different one unit, two unit, three unit of single enzyme, then another unit of single enzyme, then another unit of single enzyme will mix together and make a complete set of enzyme. In simple words, we can say that some enzymes are associated with each other. Okay, they get associated. Some enzymes will get associated with some other enzymes, and they are involved in a particular pathway to form a multi-enzyme complex. That is a complete set of a reaction. They are going to perform a complete set of reactions by joining together by association with another enzymes. So they are forming a multi-enzyme complex. For the enzyme in such complexes, the diffusion of the substrate is not rate limiting, and the example of this multi-enzyme complex is pyruvate dehydrogenase. What is the pyruvate dehydrogenase? Pyruvate dehydrogenase is a multi-enzyme complex of three different enzymes. There are three different enzymes will make a complete set of enzyme, that is the pyruvate dehydrogenase enzymes. So what are the subunits of this pyruvate dehydrogenase? There are eight trimers of lipoamide reductase transacetylase enzyme. Okay, eight trimers of lipoamide reductase transacetylase, six trimers of they will mix together with six trimers of dihydrolipoyl dehydrogenase. So here we can see that this is the red and yellow color are different enzymes group. And the next is 6 plus dimers of dihydrolipoyl will mix together with uh, 12 dimers of pyruvate tricarboxylase, and then these three will mix together and form a complex that is known as the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. Pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, and it has a total of 60 polypeptide chain. Okay, so it has total 60. So that is all performed by three group of enzymes. They are forming a complete set of enzyme that is known as the pyruvate dehydrogenase. So that is the example of multi-enzyme complex which will perform a particular kind of functions. Okay, so we can clear here our topic and we can conclude our topic. What is the multi-enzyme complex? और multi-enzyme complex वो होते हैं जिनमें दो तीन चार ग्रुप के एंजाइम होते हैं, वो एक साथ मिक्स होते हैं और मिक्स होने के बाद में एक बड़ा एंजाइम बनाते हैं जिसको मल्टी एंजाइम कॉम्प्लेक्स कहते हैं, और वो मल्टी एंजाइम कॉम्प्लेक्स एक पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन को के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है. ठीक है, तो हमारा टॉपिक यहीं कंप्लीट होता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.